When you start your own business, you're certain to hear a lot of different advice. Most of it will come from people who don't know the first thing about running a successful company. Turn to the internet and you'll be overwhelmed by a multitude of articles and lengthy lists on the subject. Don't make the mistake of overthinking and overanalyzing it all. A few simple steps now can start your business down the path towards success. Here we outline the 5 basic tips we follow to help us run our company. Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are talking about 6 tips for starting a successful business. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. 1. Begin with a detailed plan. This one is a must. Develop an in-depth plan that fully details how you'll attack the challenge ahead. Your plan should define any opportunities you've identified, clearly state your mission, describe your target, establish measurable goals, and set deadlines for each milestone along the way. Remember that while it's important to have a plan, it's equally vital to be flexible enough to pivot when needed. 2. Get out there and network. Our business would not be where it is today without all the professional networking we did when we first started. We continue to emphasize networking today. Until you've established your business, you'll need to create your own word of mouth. Be your own brand ambassador, touting the benefits of working with your business and showing why people should give you a chance. Start your own momentum. A wealth of events, trade shows, and networking groups exist to connect you with other professionals. These initial connections can lead to future business prospects, mentors, and strategic partners with the capacity to help grow your business. 3. Surround yourself with the right people. The right mentors and strategic partners aren't the only people. Surrounding yourself with a great team is equally important. Build your staff with smart, talented, and driven employees who share your vision. They can not only transform your business, but also accelerate its growth. Hiring positive, can-do employees helps create culture that encourages teamwork. Foster an environment in which everyone participates so you can collectively celebrate your company's successes. 4. Analyze your competition. Competition breeds the best results. To be successful, you can't be afraid to study and learn from your competitors. After all, they may be doing something right that you can implement in your business to make more money. How you've analyzed competition will vary between sectors. If you're a restaurant owner, you may simply be able to dine at your competition's restaurants, ask other customers what they think, and gain information that way. However, you could be a company with much more limited access to your competitors, such as a chemicals company. In that case, you would work with a business professional and accountant to go over not just what the business presents to the world, but any financial information you may be able to get on the company as well. 5. Stay ahead of the curve. You can afford to be rooted in the present and solely focused on the day-to-day. It's crucial to keep one eye focused on the future, including upcoming movement in your industry. If you aren't anticipating the next big thing, you're destined to fall behind. Successful business owners study trends and anticipate what's coming around the bend. This allows them to nimbly adapt and evolve. Stay current on emerging issues in your field by faithfully reading trade magazines and websites. Keeping pace as your industry changes assures you'll have your finger on the pulse to predict what customers will want and which direction your competition might move. 6. Find a healthy work-life balance. Running a successful business requires an inordinate amount of time and energy. It's paramount to find a healthy work-life balance, even though it can be a challenge to do so. It's easy to let work dominate your life. Don't. It could result in your losing touch with those whom you consider most important. It's also crucial to take care of your own health and well-being. Your business can't run without you. You might believe you need that perpetual hustle to stay sharp and succeed, but that pace can and will burn you out, ultimately limiting how much you can achieve if you don't take time for yourself. Find ways to maintain perspective and preserve healthy relationships outside of work. Set aside time to get your body active in ways that energize and invigorate you, and schedule catch-up time with friends and family. They'll help recharge your batteries and inspire you to persevere as you dream even bigger. So if this was all about the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.